Ever wondered how the intricate beauty of a swamp comes into being? It's a fascinating process, a delicate dance between nature and time that weaves together water, soil, and a diverse array of life to create these unique ecosystems. Today, we're delving into the step-by-step process of making a swamp. Buckle up and prepare to embark on a journey of transformation from a dry patch of land to a thriving, lush swamp. First and foremost, we need to understand what a swamp is. It's a wetland filled with trees and shrubs that's often submerged in water. These are not stagnant, lifeless places, but rather vibrant, alive ecosystems teeming with a multitude of species. The first step in making a swamp is finding the right location. This spot needs to have a low-lying area, preferably with a natural source of water nearby. It could be a river, a creek, or even a large body of groundwater. The land is then prepared by digging a shallow basin that will serve as the base of our swamp. Next, we introduce water. This is done naturally by allowing rainwater to fill the basin or manually by diverting a nearby water source into the area. This water needs to be shallow, no more than a few feet deep, and should cover most of the area. A swamp is not a lake, it is a shallow waterlogged land. Now comes the process of introducing vegetation. Swamps are filled with a diverse array of plants, from towering trees to tiny shrubs. These plants are not just randomly chosen, they are species that thrive in waterlogged conditions. Examples include cypress trees, willows, and water lilies. These plants are planted throughout the swamp, creating a lush green landscape. The final step is the introduction of wildlife. Swamps are teeming with life, from birds and reptiles to insects and amphibians. These creatures are attracted naturally over time as the swamp establishes itself as a thriving ecosystem. But why would anyone want to make a swamp? Well, swamps are incredibly beneficial. They serve as natural water filters, purifying the water that flows through them. They act as a buffer against floods, absorbing excess water during heavy rains. They provide a home for a diverse array of wildlife, contributing to biodiversity. And perhaps most importantly, they're a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. So the next time you find yourself gazing at the intricate beauty of a swamp, remember, it's not just a patch of waterlogged land, it's a testament to the transformative power of nature, a vibrant ecosystem that serves a crucial role in our world. And who knows? Perhaps you'll be inspired to create a swamp of your own, contributing to the health and diversity of our planet in your own unique way.